President Ferdinand Marcos Jr. of the Philippines announced on Thursday that the country would enact countermeasures against what he described as illegal, coercive, aggressive, and dangerous attacks by China's Coast Guard in the South China Sea. The tensions have escalated as the Philippines expresses outrage over repeated hostilities by Chinese vessels within Manila's 200-mile exclusive economic zone. The United States has voiced support for its former colony and military ally. While President Marcos did not detail the specifics of the countermeasures, he assured they would be implemented in the coming weeks and would be proportionate and deliberate responses to the ongoing provocations. Marcos emphasized that the Philippines seeks no conflict but refuses to be intimidated into silence or submission. China's response to the Philippines' stance has been firm, with warnings against provocations and calls for dialogue. Despite China's assertions, Marcos has reiterated his commitment to defending Philippines' sovereignty and has engaged with international allies for support. Meanwhile, the United States has reaffirmed its commitment to the Mutual Defense Treaty with the Philippines, condemning China's actions and highlighting the importance of the treaty in protecting both nations' interests in the South China Sea. In response to Marcos' announcement, China's defense spokesperson has stated that Beijing will take decisive measures to safeguard its sovereignty in the region. The situation remains tense as both sides navigate the complexities of the territorial dispute in the South China Sea.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.